No SD card. Recording.
Hey, what's up? It's BtheRiderPa. I've been out of the circulation for quite a while. It's been, I made a video for a little bit. Anyways, I thought, I'm out here riding around anyways. I might as well do a almost 20,000 mile review on my 2024 Road Glide. Now, the GPS. Everybody likes to talk about the GPS. It's had its issues. The last update's been pretty cool. I haven't had too many issues. One or two times it drops out, but it comes back. So I don't know what that is, but it does that. But other than that, it works pretty good. It's been going well. Like I said, not too many issues. Last year or so ago when I was up in Milwaukee, last year, you get too many towers and stuff, it throws the cell phone into a tizzy. But other than that, it works good. You gotta have your headset or Bluetooth, or you can buy that one you stick under your seat. There's a couple different options there. It's just a matter of what you want to spend and so forth. I wear my helmet all the time, so I got a Sena headset with a camera. There you go. So let's see what has happened wrongly. Well, that door would not stay shut. It's a real simple fix. They put the things in. They don't have to take the front fairing off. They just put two little clips in there, and there you go. They're not that expensive, per se, Harley Davidson, right? I was thinking about getting a Clockworks windshield. Windshield's okay. It's not a priority. Sound system, pretty good, but then they come out with the new 25. What do? They put stage 3s out. So do I want to invest $500 plus $2,000 in speakers? No, not going to happen. I can turn that GPS off. It's driving me nuts. So not going to do that. I did get the lowers. Awesome. I put some pictures up, I think, or shorts. But they're really easy to install. I mean, it's super easy. Take the bar off, take the cover off, put the new bar on. It may take you an hour and a half. The white covers, the covers on the outside, there's 4 grommets that pops on. The only thing is, whenever you put the bar up, the 2 bases, you need to hold up one side if you're doing it by yourself, because if you don't, it'll fall down on the other side. So you hold up the one side, then go to the other side by start your bolt, then go back on the other side and start your bolt, and then you'll be fine. Just gotta do that because it moves. There's nothing to keep it in place. So that works out when you do it that way. But really, it's 3 bolts. I think a total of 6. Yeah, a total of 12 bolts hold it on. And the compartments are pretty much waterproof per se. There's no holes in them, so I got my gloves in them and stuff, which gave me some more storage. Then they have little vanes, little doors that open up and let more air flow through. Love the little air dams. It blows air when it's too hot. Get a lot of airflow that way. I did install heated grips. Nice to have heated grips. I want to get the lighted controls, but I'm like, yeah, I'm used to them now. It was a big thing when the bike first came out. I didn't know where everything was, the new control setup. Now it's kind of like, yeah, why bother? I got my tour pack. I got my lights all squared away. I put a magic flash in from Custom Dynamics. That's pretty cool. So I get that nice little when I hit the brakes. People are like, holy shit, dude, you got bright lights. Well, that's so they see me and don't hit me, right? Everybody's out riding around today. It's 80 degrees. Spring is sprung on us. So it's awesome stuff. What else? Watch, move my mirrors from my other bike over. I did get a Mustang touring seat, which I have a video of that. I put a Breezy Rider seat cover on it, which is all right. It's nice. I like the seat covers. One guy says, well, why cover up a great looking seat? Yeah, I understand that, but I spend more time in my saddle than it sits somewhere. So nobody really sees my seat but me anyhow. And I'd rather be comfortable going down the road than sweating my balls off. So you know what I'm saying? It just makes it easier for me. My wife does not like the back seat because it is smaller. When they come out with these bikes, the old touring bikes, the 24s and the other limiteds, they had a nice wide seat. Now I did see a video you can cut those tabs on those seats and you can actually make them fit this bike. I already sold my seat, so I'm not going to buy it from somebody and then do that. I'll just keep what I got and deal with it. It's fine. I do like them big wide seats we used to have on those limiteds. If they come out with one, I'd probably sell my Mustang and do that. This seat's a little narrower, and it's not as wide as plush as the other touring seats were. I did put my 3-inch adapter for the tour pack so I can move it back and forth by 3 inches. So when I travel, I got a big tour bag I put on the back seat. I can put it back there and have plenty of room for all that stuff, put all my gear in it. So that works out pretty good. I didn't buy no bars or anything. Oh, and I got a Clockworks fender. If you look, I have a full wrap fender. So that's from Clockworks. That's nice. It keeps the dirt off that radiator down there, which drives me nuts. And I've seen too many, being an automotive technician over the years, I've seen too many things put holes in radiators. So I like not making sure no dirt gets up in my radiator, and it seems to work pretty good. I did buy the skid plate. It's underneath. Because, you know, I'm an idiot. I'll admit it. I got a toy hauler, which I might start making videos with my toy hauler, towing my bike and a toy hauler. It's a one bike toy hauler, so me and my wife can travel a little bit further, stay a little longer, so forth. But I didn't put enough angle on the trailer ramp by keeping the front of the trailer up. So I got caught. I had to call a buddy to get me off, and it ripped the wires, and I had to fix the wires for the cooling fan. I have the fog lights coming. They were back ordered. They actually should be here this week. I ought to ask about them today because they should be here. Today's the 24th, 25th. Yeah, they should be here. They said by Friday, so I'll have to check. They should be in. So I'll get the fog lights installed, and that's about all I've done so far. I want the custom dynamic flat license plate holder, but of course the plate itself is on back order to whenever. I set up that let me know when it comes in kind of thing. So we'll see when that comes in. I think that's a nice add-on too. You know, Custom Dynamic does make some good stuff. All of them make good stuff. It's just what you like kind of thing. Other than that, I mean, motor-wise, engine goes strong. It cruises, got plenty of power. I'm not much for upgrading my motors and doing all that stuff. To me, it works fine. I have my trailer hitch on here. I did get a different swing arm, little arms that come down on the side for the hitch. They make them different for this bike because there were speakers. The plug was in the way of the other one, so I got the new arms. The guy who does that hooked me up with just the arms, so he's an awesome dude. Open Road Outfitters, they're A1, dude. I've been talking to Dale for years with hitches and stuff, and bought trailers, and they're awesome guys. He's an awesome dude. So, but if you're looking for something for your bike for trailering, go Open Road Outfitters. That's about it. Like this is set up for touring. On the thing that was probably some issues. When I would set this up for touring before, it would run for a while, then it would quit, and then I have to go back. It wouldn't work well. But since the last update, it's staying on touring mode and works great. Because I really don't worry about my tack. I listen to the motor and all that. Oh, just after I hit that bump, just thought, shit. I bought Legend shocks. So I got Rev A's. So I set them up this morning in the morning, and I was on a nice ride today. So I'm trying them out. It definitely feels different. A little more. I wouldn't say stiffness, but rides the corners better. It's riding better than 412s I had. That's for sure. I set the squash or down a little, set it down to like 1 inch. So I set that up this morning. I got it on 3, which is like in between. So if you go 1 or 2, it makes it more cushy for more touring. You put it on up to 6, it makes it more tighter for curves, so it gives you that more feel of the road. But also you're going to feel the bumps a lot more.